the American love for large cars and trucks. Hello, listeners. Welcome to English with Billy, the podcast where we dive into the unique aspects of American culture. I'm your host, Billy. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic. Why are large cars and trucks so popular in the United States? This episode is perfect for our English learners who are curious about American life. So, let's start our journey into this intriguing part of American culture. Part 1, the beginning of the love affair. The love for big cars in America started a long time ago. After World War II, America's economy grew rapidly. People had more money and started moving to the suburbs, areas outside the city. They needed cars to travel to work, shop, and take kids to school. Big cars became a symbol of success and freedom. Part 2. The rise of the pickup truck. In the 1950s and 1960s, pickup trucks, which are large vehicles with an open back, became popular, especially in rural areas. They were useful for farmers and construction workers. But soon, even city people started buying them. Trucks were strong, reliable, and had lots of space. In fact, today, the best-selling vehicle in the United States year after year is the Ford F-150 pickup truck. Part 3. The influence of advertising. Advertising played a big role too. Car companies began to advertise big cars and trucks as not just vehicles, but as a way to show a strong, adventurous lifestyle. This marketing made big cars a symbol of American strength and freedom in the eyes of many people. Part 4. The need for space. America is a big country with long roads and large spaces. Big cars are comfortable for long drives and can carry many people and things. Families like them because they have space for kids, pets, and shopping. Part 5. Safety perception. Many Americans believe that bigger cars are safer. The idea is that in an accident, a bigger car protects you and your family better. This feeling of safety is a big reason why people choose large vehicles. Unfortunately, large vehicles are also dangerous for other people. So there are pros and cons for safety. Part 6. The role of gas prices. For many years, gas in America was cheaper than in many other countries. This made it easier for people to afford driving big cars that use more fuel. Although this has changed a bit recently, the love for big cars continues. Even today, the gas prices in the United States are quite a bit cheaper than in most countries in Europe, for example. Part 7. Changing trends. Now, there is a growing interest in smaller cars and electric vehicles in America. But large cars and trucks still remain very popular. They are part of American culture, representing freedom, strength, and adventure. Part 8. The future of big vehicles. The future might see more electric trucks and big cars. Companies are starting to make these, keeping the size but using cleaner energy. It's a way to keep the tradition of big vehicles, but also care more for the environment. For example, Tesla has created a large electric truck, and Ford has also created a pretty nice large electric truck. So there you have it, the story behind America's love for large cars and trucks. It's a mix of history, lifestyle, and perception. I hope this was an interesting ride for you. Thank you for tuning in to English with Billy. If you are learning English, remember, practice talking about what you learned today. See you in the next episode.